So my wife just whipped up these cinnamon rolls. I had to do this video. Look at them things. Fresh out the oven. Now these are actually Naturalite approved cinnamon rolls. These cinnamon rolls is an example of how I was eating sweet food and still losing weight while I was doing it. It's because I became a Naturalite. I learned how to start choosing natural ingredients over heavily processed ingredients. So let me explain. We used to get the Pillsbury cinnamon rolls, but those is heavily processed. So then we started making things from scratch. But we'll probably use something like this. But the problem is, notice that this is bleached and enriched. So this is ultra processed flour. It was put through the enrichment process where they use chemicals to remove the life germ from the wheat grain, and they add synthetic nutrients to replace the natural nutrients. They do that so this flour don't never spoil. So I would make this from scratch, thinking that it was homemade and it was good, but it was still heavily processed. How you know if something is enriched? You read the ingredients, you'll see the synthetic niacin, iron, thiamine mononitrate, riboflavin, folic acid. So what we did, we just switched it out for a natural flour. All that should be in flour is just the wheat plant being used, organic, unbleached wheat flour. See the difference? So these are made with natural flour as opposed to enriched flour. Another thing, we would use the granulated white sugar. This is the table sugar. And you could look up a video on YouTube how this is made, processed white table sugar. But this is extremely processed. It leads the weight gain. I learned along the way I could switch it out for the raw organic cane sugar, which is what we used in this. And we used to use the margarine when we was making cinnamon rolls like that. But now we use the coconut oil, the unrefined coconut oil. She's actually about to make some icing for these too, but the icing is gonna be made with all the right ingredients as well. So this is why these cinnamon rolls is Naturalite approved. My name is Jabez, but I actually lost 100 pounds. This was me in 2014. But I did it still eating the foods that I like to eat. That's why I wrote Life Matters, so let's eat like it, to explain how I did it. What it was, I had to learn how to choose the right versions of the food that I like to eat. We've helped thousands of people lose weight while still eating the food they love with this book. And then also we got our family cookbook, which is 62 Naturalite recipes, which fit the principles of this book. We actually hit #1 on Amazon with both of these. If you gotta go to lose weight, these books will help. We're actually doing a sale right now on our website. And I got our website link underneath my profile picture. If you wanna grab a copy, feel free. Prayers up, blessings up.